Go to the ACure site and then press Browser Full Text Search. Then press Full Text Search from Audio. Now we're going to load up a couple of text files. Please notice the Search Scope section. This is so that the user can approximate the size of a paragraph. At the bottom of the page, we have tools that allows the user to manage the database. We're going to ingest the database and start the search. Okay, I'm going to eliminate an element from the list, and then I'm going to add it using fill. This is an example of the machine learning system. Here we see another example of the search scope. Now we're going to begin the search and we'll get our output. Now when we click on one of the anchors, we get a page which gives us approximately a paragraph. I'm going to double back and show you how to add in a JSON file, which allows you to populate the database in one shot.